This brand is from Ventomatic, is assembled in the USA and is available through their website or the Home Depot stores. They offer duct systems with 2-speed motors that are controlled by a standard wall switch, but they offer an optional Wi-Fi module so that the units can be controlled through smart devices. The units fit between the rafters, which makes for easier installation, and they are backed by a very good guarantee. They use standard PSC motors, which are not as durable or energy efficient as brands that use ECM motors. The CX1401 model has a 14-inch fan with a 1600 CFM capacity, while the CX1801 has an 18-inch fan with a 2700 CFM capacity. The brand also offers non-duct models with either belt or direct drive motors, but they are not recommended. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.